Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. It's Monday morning and I'm out and about early. The sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, so I thought I'd cram in as many errands as I possibly could so that I can get it all out of the way so that I can enjoy the sunshine this afternoon. It's Tuesday morning, the 25th of June, and it's around about 20 past 9 in the morning. I'm on the way through to see Mum and Dad. It's Mum's birthday today. Anyway, so I'm going to go get Mum and Dad, pick them up, and then drive them through to a place in Wakefield, which is a neighbouring town or neighbouring city. We're going to go to Hampton's World of Plants. So we're going to go to, it's a really big garden centre and nursery, and they have a cafe there and all that kind of stuff. So I'm taking her out for her birthday lunch, and maybe buy maybe one or two little things. She's already had a couple of presents already, but it doesn't hurt to spoil, does it? Ian and Mr. Bentley are meeting us there because we can't get Mr. Bentley, Ian, me, Mum and Dad all in my car, so we're having to take two because we can now. Looking forward to it. The day spoilt itself. Yesterday was quite nice, but today it started to rain again, but luckily the majority of Hamptons is all undercover. Stay there. What was?
I'm day glow today. A little bit bright. So if I get lost, I can be helped home. My nan used to grow yellow and red ones.
What's your name?
It's Wednesday, 11:22 in the morning, and it's the 26th of June. I don't know that you can hear that drilling workman noise outside, but I've had to put up with that for the last 3 days. They're literally tearing up the roads outside on the main road, relaying all the curbstones ready for a new top coat of tarmac. And we've had that all day, every day. Now, obviously yesterday we weren't in. We'd gone out to take Mum out for her birthday. Monday, I really couldn't work, couldn't concentrate, could barely do anything. So I helped Ian finish off painting out his workshop in the garage below. So I didn't really do anything on Monday. Did a few websitey things, bit of tidying up, a bit of ordering, but not a lot, because that noise really just has been getting on my nerves for the past 4 or 5 days. Actually, it's been constant. They even worked on Saturday and Sunday, which was just obviously on Sunday previously just gone. I took mum and dad out as well, so I'll be so glad when it's finished. It's Wednesday, just after, turn that fan down, just after lunch. In need of a few provisions. Not going to mum's today, because A, took her out yesterday, B, she doesn't want any shopping. She's decided to go through what she's got in the freezer, but I still need shopping. So I've got a little shopping list, so I'm just nipping down to one of the local supermarkets. Shouldn't be a long shopping trip. It's about 2:45 on Friday afternoon, and you've just seen Ian taking Mr. Bentley out for his afternoon walk. We've had a fairly busy day today. It's been one of those days where we've just been kind of full on doing stuff, but not necessarily work stuff, as in day job stuff, more work getting the house to the point where it's, well, I won't say livable because that sounds awful, how we want it and how we like it. So over the last week or two, we've had new bits of furniture that we've ordered that's arrived, and it's been encased in cardboard packaging, and we've amassed so much of it, along with the packaging from all the boxes when we moved, because we still had all that we've amassed such a massive amount of cardboard packaging that we've had to hire another skip, the fourth one for the move. So currently sitting outside the house, I will turn around and show you, is skip number 4. So, and this is primarily full of cardboard packaging. There's one or two other little bits in there. As you can see, there's a chair sticking up. That's the old chair from Ian's workshop, because we've had to buy him a new one. I'll explain why in a second. And also we're going to replace in some of the old rugs that we have as well. But yeah, so we've had to fill that today. So literally remove all the packaging from the house and put it in the skip ready for collection. So not only have we had to deal with all that kind of deluge, the avalanche of cardboard, because we now have a new dresser in the kitchen. You've seen the settee, you've seen the couch. We have a matching coffee table now, 2 matching side tables, and obviously some cushions just to go on top. But also today, work started on clearing and getting the garden ready for having some turf, some grass laid. So I'll just turn the camera on and show you what we've got done so far. So as you can see so far, we've literally cleared all the dead weeds that were in the garden. It's all been rotavated, so all been turned over, all the soil cut up, munched up using the rotavating machine, and it's all been raked to try and get it ready. So the next job is to have a 5-ton delivery of topsoil, some sand for extra drainage, and it's all going to have to be laid on and then redug back in again before they can lay the grass. So hopefully we'll be getting the grass laid next week. It's going to be a big job. It's 10 o'clock Saturday morning and the Saharan heatwave has finally hit the UK, as you can see. It's a beautiful day. It started getting warm yesterday, but today it's really taken hold. So I've left Ian at the house and put in wall cabinets into his garage workshop, and I've just had a little walk up to the post office just to send off a few website orders that I've had, and then hopefully this afternoon I'll be able to get into the craft room and try and film a project. Been having issues with the video camera for the past few days, or the past week really. It's not recording sound again, so it's just becoming a little bit of a pain in the bum, because obviously that means added expense in buying a new one. I haven't shown you a front view of the house yet. That's it. That one there. So this is the view from our front windows.
Welcome everyone. As you can see, I am in my new abode. We've got the floor. It's warm. We've got the floor down. The
Let me just show you.
lovely floor. Excuse the bits.
Yes.
We've also got the base units in, the drawer unit there, the base units there, and wall cupboards there.
Hang on. I don't want to go so fast that they're all going to get dizzy.
We had a bit of an issue putting the wall cupboards up. We couldn't get them to line up, so come and look up. Have a look at this thing. Oh, yeah. True craftsmanship. Look. Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Plus, behind you,
Plus behind me, I've got my racks and back up with all my goodies in there. All we've got to do now is get some wood, put some battens up tomorrow, and get the worktops on.
Yes, so all the way along this side, underneath there, and all across here. This table won't be there eventually. And all the way across this unit here will be a kind of worktop.
Like a kitchen worktop.
Well, it's not like a kitchen worktop.
It is a kitchen worktop.
Yes.
Yes, so this,
and the new chair.
it's supposed to be aqua.
Yeah, more like emerald green.
Yeah, I'm not bothered.
No.
But it has to be a tall chair because the new units are a lot higher, so... Oh yeah.
Look, it's so tall Ian can't even touch the floor.
Yeah, it's a bit too high, is this? It'll just go down a little. The best bit's this. Oh, that'd be in that theme park.
So, what are you making?
Making some stuff for the asylum. Obviously, that's coming up at the end of August. There's just some bits at the moment. I shall post the machines when they're finished, but there's all sorts of bits and bobs here. Different machines, different bits to go with.
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs, yes. Yeah, so when I'm got my worktops out, it'll be much easier to work. It's just I've got to start work. If I don't have what anything to sell.
Well, this is true. So obviously you've got some equipment out. Your pillar drill's already out. You've now got a chop saw.
Yeah.
For cutting bits of wood. Didn't show behind the door. Sorry. The bookcases.
They're from the old workshop.
Yes, they're all. Yes.
But when you bear in mind, last time my workshop ended here.
Where?
About here.
About there.
Yeah.
So it's a lot. It's wider.
And it's a lot longer.
And it's also longer. Yes. So. All the original bookcases from the old house are now in situ exactly there. So, and like the old house in the garage, there was a partition wall with a door in it, which as I'm going to try and back out very gracefully.
Do not fall over the extension lead, please.
Let's try not to. Sorry for the wobbliness, but I'm just having to...
Mind your head.
Yes, that's what I was minding my head on. So as you can see, there is a partition wall, goes right the way up to the ceiling, all the way up there, and all the way to the floor, which is really, really clever.
Yes.
Yeah, because otherwise it'd just fall over. But yes, it's got the
We've
partition.
got some nice plants for the front garden as well.
Yes, we have got some new plants to go in the front garden as well. But that's changing the subject slightly.
Yeah.
So that's Ian in his workshop. As he says, backing out. Duh, duh, duh.
Now, Jim Bob.
So yes, it has been a very, very busy few days. I've actually got a bit of a sore throat with all the dust and all the sawdust and all that kind of stuff, because obviously sawing, all that kind of thing. So yeah, so I'm not feeling particularly wonderful today. So I'm going to have a very restful rest of the Sunday. So I think at that point I'm going to draw this week's vlog to a close. Say goodbye, Ian.
Bye, Ian.
See you all next week. Bye for now. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.